Alright, today we're going to be doing a throttle body coolant bypass. The purpose of it is to keep the throttle body blades from freezing up at cold temperatures. And you got two lines. You got one down here, and there's another one on the other side. Right there. I'm going to take them off. I'm going to connect them with a 3/8 barbed fitting. We picked this up at O'Reilly's for about $2, and 2 hose clamps, and that's about it. Another obvious reason to do this is to get more horsepower. Since you're eliminating coolant going through the throttle body, then you're able to get more air into the engine. The air is cooler, more dense, so you can get more air into the engine and more horsepower. Let's take the elbow off so I can give you some room to get to the coolant lines. So take this off, come up. Kind of best to put the rags on there to keep the coolant from getting on the opti spark. First line off. I'm gonna get the second line. Second line is actually down here, so I gotta move some of this stuff out of the way. Two hoses off, then you can begin to figure out how you want to route these two. I was thinking maybe routing them under here, maybe shorten them up a little bit. I gotta figure that out next. But that one back there is a little hard to get off, so just to let you know, you gotta move some of that stuff out of the way, some of them hoses and stuff. Since you got that done, you go hook up back the sensors. I'll flip the hook, this back up, and this. So you put your sensor up here and here. So I did have to trim up the coolant lines a little bit. But I have them running under this hose right here, right there, as you can see. So I have them running from there to under here, under that hose, and then connect down there. Finished connecting all the hoses and wires back. Make sure to check for loops. Crank it up, make sure it's good. All the hoses are tight. Hope this helped y'all out. If you have any questions, leave down in the comments below what I did or how I did something or anything. Y'all have a good day.
Make the streams louder.